guys, so I'm picking up my Christmas tree and I'm super excited. I'm so happy because I got my Christmas tree and I'll be decorating it with you guys. I've been wanting a Christmas tree for so long. I'm like, come on, this year I want to do something different. I love Christmas. It's like my favorite holiday. I just can't wait to set it up. I'm leaving now and yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Welcome back to another day of vlogmas. Today I am building and decorating my Christmas tree. I know I showed you guys a footage of where I got my Christmas tree from. I got it from Walmart and they were running some sales, so I definitely had to get one. Harry was supposed to help me today, but he is working, but I'm going to start, and if I can't finish then he'll come and help when he's done working. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is the Christmas tree and it's actually 6.5 foot and it's pre-lit and it's Madison Pine clear light. So I have my knife here. I'm about to cut this box open because we have to cut it open before we can get our Christmas tree out. We opened the box. I preached in church and oh my god, I was not ready. I felt not ready. I felt not prepared, but God told me go ahead and do it, and I did it. And he did that. Okay, I didn't even do nothing. He just did everything and everybody's congratulating me. I'm like, oh my god, thank you guys, thank you. But anyway, that was just by the way. There we go. I used to build Christmas trees in my childhood, but ever since I came into my own home, I haven't really taken the time to build a Christmas tree. So this goes down first and this and that. But this will go on top of that. This will be like the final piece that brings the whole tree together. Guys, I'm here. I'm surviving. I think I got it. Oh my god. I don't know how you feel about this year. This year didn't go well, so Christmas definitely is something that I'll really be celebrating in a different way. My Christmas tree is coming together! This is the final piece. I don't like how sparse this place is, and this place is full. I don't like it. I don't. Something is missing. I don't know what. Yeah, I think it's much better. Christmas tree. We did it. We did it. It was so simple. I bought some ornaments from Walmart as well. If I need more, I'll definitely go back and pick up more. This is not all. I have some in the couch over there. I'll start putting these on the tree. Yeah. Okay, I need to make sure these lights work, because if they don't work, then I have to return the whole Christmas tree, and I don't think I'm ready for that. Come on, look at my tree. So you want me to go and return it and make a bigger one? No, I've already done so much work on this tree. So you really want me to return it and get another one? Are you serious? guys, so I had to leave the house to get I always forget what the name is. I think it's ornament hanging. I really don't remember, but it's something like that. I forgot to get it when I was getting that from Walmart, but I think I'll even get some from the Dollar Tree store. I'm not sure, but I'll check the Dollar Tree store first, then I can go to Walmart if I don't find any. I could have gone tomorrow, but I'm just trying to get some things done for tomorrow. I'm driving, so I'll put you down here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I get there. To the world, peace. I just came back from the Dollar Tree and the craziest thing happened. I was looking for the ornament hangers and there was none. But fortunately, God just put one right in front of me. I got that. There was just one left. From joy to the world, the Lord. Let earth receive King. Hey guys, so I'm done building my tree and decorating. I think I need more decor, obviously, but so far this is what I have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm kind of tired now. If you did, definitely let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.